Hello everyone! Today I am going to show you this absolutely awesome Heffydoodle card, which is a part of the Heffy Friends blog hub. I hope you keep watching this video. I will speak about the price later. If you are a newbie here, hi, it's Toth, and I am super happy that you are here. Now let's start the tutorial. First I am starting with the background. I am going to use the new Cloudy Sky stencil from Heffydoodle, and I am going to show you a trick what I learned from Leslie, who is the owner of the Heffydoodle. She is super sweet and also creative. As you can see, I cut these small parts from the stencil so I can put my card inside easily and make an ink blending on it. For the ink blending, first I am using the SPUN Sugar Distress Oxide ink, then I continue with the shaded lilac color. Once the fluffy clouds are done, I need to close the sky with the top of the stencil, so I hold it in the place and starting with the ink blending again. For the sky I wanted to make a little darker background, so I used the Blueprint Sketch Distress Oxide with the previous ones. I added clear and white splatters on it, removed the stencil, and after quick heat embossing, the background is done. The next step was the stamping and coloring. I used the Absotoothly awesome stamps and dies to create the images, and now I am going to make a quick coloring with my Copic markers. I am listing the used colors in my blog post. Feel free to bookmark the post or copy-paste the used shades and save it for later. As you can see, I am starting with the darkest color, then go to lighter and lighter. I always do the same coloring twice on every single image because the final result will be much more vibrant and contrasted. In the end of the coloring, I am adding white highlights with Signal Uniball white pen. When the images were done, I turned them to die cuts. As I promised, I will speak about the blog hub prize. If you want to win a £50 gift certificate to Heffydoodle store, be sure to comment on my post for today. You can find it in the description box. The winner will be announced on Monday, August 5th, 2019 on Heffydoodle blog. Now I am speeding up the coloring process. If you want to skip this, just expand the description box below and click on the next step. After the coloring, I created a super sweet die cut with the Toth Plush Die, as well as Sparkle and Shine Heffy Cuts. I don't want it to show the cute thief, so I'll run the largest part through my die cut machine. I decided to make it from white glitter cardstock. It is really cute, shiny and sparkle. As a final touch, I added cheeks to this cuteness with mini daubers and SPUN Sugar Distress Oxide ink. I added the background to a white card base with Gina K Design Permanent Adhesive Dot Runner. I wanted to add dimension to the fairies and the gold coin, so I used white foam squares from Gina K Designs. I love this adhesive so much because it's super permanent. In the end I styled and put my card together. My cards are ready and I am in love with the result. I also created another version of this card off camera. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. Also feel free to let me know if the coloring is too fast or too slow. I really appreciate your comments. For the used supplies, be sure to expand the video description or check my blog for more information. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!